Here's a look at one of the accessories that Think Tank Photo makes. These are the rep whips. It's a packet of 10 elastic ties to help you organize camera cables and anything else that you need. They retail for $7.50 and they're available through thinktankphoto.com or other larger camera stores online. Each packet comes with 10 of these red whips. They're made of a high quality elastic band and they come with these stoppers. They stretch out to about 6 inches and they help you organize all your loose cables that you carry around with you, whether it be your power brick for your laptop, headphones or microphone cables, basically anything else that would unspool inside your camera bag. This will help you keep it organized, and because they're red in color, it's also easy to find things inside your camera bag. Here are some examples of how red whips can help keep your camera bag organized. If you have a smartphone, you need your wall charger and corresponding USB cable. If you shoot off-camera flash, you will want your transmitters and the right sync cables all together. And if you shoot time-lapse or long exposures, you're going to be using a cable release. This way it stays nice and tight. And if you're out at the beach or in a really windy bluff, you can use the red whips to secure your cable release to one of your tripod legs so it doesn't bang around or get disconnected from your camera. Or here's the power inverter that I use in my car to keep my laptop charged. If you own one of these shoulder straps, they can help you keep it nicely bundled, making it easier to remove and also to put back inside your camera bag. And that's a look at Think Tank Photo's accessory, the red whips. They retail for $7.50 and you get a packet of 10. For that price point, you really can't save any money by trying to go out and making it your own. It's really affordable, they're good quality, and if you use the link below, you'll also get free shipping on this.